welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making some chicken wings. Well, not just any chicken wings. We're going to be making some Bloveslife Smackalicious wings. Using her spicy packet to season our wings. We're gonna let them marinate, put them in the air fryer, and whoo, I cannot wait to experience them. So I'm gonna take you along on the ride. All right, so let's go. So what we're using, of course, are wings. I got a package of wings. I want to say that these are about 6 wings. When we open it, we'll find out. And then I just got some drumettes. Okay. Of course, we're using the Smackalicious sauce packet, and this is the spicy. I'm only going to be using about a tablespoon. Gonna use some fresh garlic paste as well as some granulated garlic, parsley, and some garlic ranch. As you can see, I like garlic. All right, so let's clean these up. If you haven't yet seen a video with me cleaning and preparing my meat for seasoning, check out the video that I'll link below. And I think that's my slow baked chicken wing video. It shows you exactly how I take my chicken out the packet, take my shears, clean the chicken up, wash them, rinse them, and get them ready for seasoning. All right, so I'll be back once I get that part done and we'll get to seasoning. Okay, so we're back. Our chicken is washed and sectioned. Comment down below, what's your favorite part of the wing? Is it the flat or the drums? Me, I love the flats, but it depends on how the drums are prepared. Does that make sense? Like if they're fried really good or baked really tender, I like the drum. So I'm going in with the granulated garlic powder first. And this is 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Gonna add in some parsley, a couple of shakes. I wouldn't even say that this is a tablespoon of parsley. And the jury is still out as to whether the dried parsley even adds flavor. So the jury is still out on that. The next thing that I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up our sauce packet. And I'll let you look down inside like I did with the mild, so we can see all of the goodness that is already in there. So that's another reason why I'm not going to go in with any salt. I usually will add a Saison Tropical. I'm gonna just take my finger and taste a little bit of the flavor packet just to see what the saltiness is, because one thing for sure is if you oversalt a meal, it's a wrap. All right, so I'm letting you get deep down inside. You see all the dried herbs and spices. Ooh, it smells so good also. So I'm going to put 1 tablespoon in. I don't want to overdo it with the spice because I'm the only one that really likes spicy. So I would think too, if you were going to make your own version of the Popeye spicy chicken sandwich, this would really be good as a seasoning to it. Little tip, give me a shout out if you use it. But I think that would be a really good seasoning to your chicken breast if you're going to do a chicken sandwich at home. Because she took care of every detail. Look at that. I see a little green onion in there. You see the pepper flakes. This smells amazing. But anyway, let me stop talking and add this to our chicken. Woo, girl! Let me stop playing. Okay, so for the amount of wings that I have, I'm going to use half a teaspoon and I'm going to put the rest back in. This is liquid. This is gold. So do not waste it. This bag almost spilled over and almost had a conniption fit. But it smells good. You definitely can smell the spice coming off of it. So I did stop with just half a tablespoon to season it. You do smell the spice coming off of it. Let me put a little bit on my spoon. I said I wanted to taste and see. So I'm going to see. Yeah, I'm not going to add any salt. And you can taste the cayenne pepper. So I'm not going to add any salt at all. So I'm just going to go on with a couple of shakes of this ranch. With tasting the packet, try doing that before you start sprinkling it all over everything. Taste it to see exactly what you taste, like what seasonings you taste before you add anything else. So I think it's perfect. Just use it out of the packet. I didn't need to add any Lawry's or anything like that. I do like a more pronounced garlic flavor, so that's why I added a little bit. Usually when I season my wings, I add a little Worcestershire sauce, and I'm kind of I don't know, because I don't want to make it salty. So I think I'm just going to stand firm right here. All right, so I put a glove on because I don't want to get the spices underneath my nails and such. This smells so good, guys. Woo, it smells good. Like, I'm tempted to put the full tablespoon in. This smells so good. Okay, so just a little Worcestershire sauce, and I tasted the Worcestershire sauce on its own, just to see like what it's given as far as saltiness. So just a few sprinkles. I'm not even gonna say that that's a tablespoon. This smells so good, guys. So those are all seasoned up. I'm gonna put a lid on them and let them marinate overnight. And then I'm going to air fry them. Now you could, after you marinate these, and you don't have to do it overnight. I just feel like the flavor soaks in a lot better the longer you marinate them. You could also then dredge this in your favorite flour mix or House of Autry. But with that, remember that that's salted, and that flavor packet is, has sodium in it as well. So be careful with that, because then I don't want y'all to be like, oh, well, it wasn't good. You have to, when you're cooking and you're adding and layering your seasonings, you have to taste a little bit of each seasoning to see if you can go ahead and introduce other things. Okay, so that's what I'm giving. I'm gonna put the lid on this, put this in the refrigerator, and marinate this overnight. Tomorrow, take them out about 15 minutes before I air fry them, just to take the chill off, and then place them in a 400-degree air fryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then I'll be dipping them in my mild Bloves sauce. I'll link the link below to show you how I made that one. And I'll also link the mukbang that we did. So I loaded in the wings into the air fryer. You don't want to crowd the basket, so I have 7 pieces in. And I'm going to shift this one down a little bit. And like I said, 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Check it halfway in between and see if you want to go ahead and flip them. Before I close the basket, I'm going to spray them with a little let's start that again. Before I close the basket, I'm going to spray it down with a little avocado oil. And the calorie count on this is great. It's only 15 calories. So I got this spray from Home Goods. So I want to make sure my wings have that nice crisp outside. Okay. Okay, so we have 7 minutes left on the clock from the 20 minutes. And these are where they are. I didn't turn them. I actually got busy doing something else. So I didn't turn them. But don't they look good? So I think I said this before in previous videos. I like my meat to have color. So I'm going to flip them and keep them in for the remaining 7 and spray the other side down. Y'all, these wings look delicious. Now you cannot look at these wings and tell me that they did not come off of a grill. There's no way that they look like they were done inside in my air fryer. They look amazing. So gonna get ready for my mukbang, and let me show you the wings again. Well, let me dress them. I just heated up the Bloves sauce that I had in the freezer, and I'm gonna drizzle the top, and then we have some for dipping. But ooh, these look good. And there you have the finished product. These wings are definitely certified smackalicious. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment. And hit that bell on the way out to make sure that you are up to date on all of our latest videos. See you soon.